Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazingly well and are all high spirited because New Year has just begun, and I hope that it brings us all lots of positivity, fun and happiness. And I hope that you by the end of this year write a beautiful book and make the most out of each day this year has to offer. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be revisiting one of my old tutorials which was about on how to make a desk calendar, and since it received a lot of love from you people, I thought why not give it a try again and do something which is more classy, chic and beautiful. And yeah, minimalistic as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make this amazingly beautiful and minimalistic desk calendar for your workstations, and I hope you like it. So I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started.
To start off, download the template file given in the description box below. This will help you make the calendar like shown in the video. The file has all the instructions on how to make one. You don't have to get all the sheets printed, only the ones which have a mark that says to be printed are supposed to be printed on an A3 sheet. The body of the calendar will be made in 3 separate parts, which we will later join to form one component. And then you have black card type pieces which are to be used as cards, which can be inserted and taken out to change dates, months, years and codes. Use an X-Acto knife to cut all of these pieces shown on the page. Make sure to cut these pieces with utmost precision, otherwise later you might have issue fixing these pieces together. Layer 1 has 1 piece, while layer 2 has 20 pieces and layer 3 has about 5 pieces, making the body in total made of about 26 pieces. Once done cutting all the pieces, take a mount board and use a fevi stick to paste these pieces on the board nicely. Now go over the same process again of cutting these pieces using an X-Acto knife. This will take a while, but this is solely to provide the calendar that strength and durability. Now once all the pieces are taken out from the mount board, use a fevi bond to stick these pieces together to each other. This process again will take a little bit of time, but since it's almost like solving a puzzle, it makes it even more exciting and fun to do. Refer to the PDF again and again when you feel confused. It's a manual that has all the information about which piece goes where. Once you are done making all of the layers, fix them together to form one component like shown in the manual and in the video. The hard part is now done. Now all you have to do is put this on your desk with the date, month, year and quote you want. The rest of the pieces can be stored at the back of the calendar, which acts like a storage. And we are done. Here's your very minimalistic desk calendar.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down your views below in the comment section and share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon just in case you want to get notified every time I put up a new video. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this video also has a template file attached in the description box below. So just so that if you have a hard time following this video, you can download the template file and make this calendar at your own convenience, at your own time, and with instructions from start to the end to make the exact copy of this calendar. So yeah, that is it from my side. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.